Hello guys, today I will show you another website. It's actually a server website that pays you around $13 per survey. Yes, that's $13 per survey. Okay, so this is the website. This is the dashboard of the website. The next interface you get it here is this. After clicking account details, you can see this. I earn around $109 until now, around 7 to 8 payments of $13 per survey. Yeah, the last payment I received is few days. I think it's in January, because this last mail I received is 4th January from PayPal that I received $13. This one. Okay, 4th January. Okay. So one thing about this website is that you don't just get disqualified once you get the survey. So that is the plus point of this website. Okay, you can see this. Another payment I received on 31st October. Another one is 15th October. Yes, this one. So this is my summary of PayPal account I received. Yes, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, and another one is $5 payment. So this is actually a legitimate website, server website that pays you around $13 per survey. Okay, you can do on that amount of money. Okay, you won't get many surveys per day, but you'll definitely get at least 2 to 3 surveys per month, and that's good amount of money. And it takes only around half an hour, maybe less than that, to complete the survey. Okay, so this is good site, good website to earn good amount of money. Sometimes it sends you around 2 to 3 surveys per week, but sometimes it doesn't. So don't worry. But eventually you'll get there, right? And the survey is pretty easy. And as I told you earlier, that once you get the survey, you just don't get disqualified. So that is the plus point of this survey website. So if you want to have this website, just click in the link in the description below and unlock the survey. Right. Okay, so that is pretty easy. Okay, so that is once again I will show you. So this is the mails I received from the PayPal that I received this around $13 per survey. Okay, so this is the 4th January, 24th August, 28th August, 15th October. So you can see this, I've got 2 payments in August, 4 payments in October, and then the last one is in January, so that is in 4th January. Okay, so you can do get this amount of money, and it's pretty easy, I tell you. It's really easy. Okay, if you are interested, you can go into the link in the description below and unlock the server website. So best of luck, and thanks for watching this video.